Our first word today is a very useful word in Chinese. It's very or 非常. The word 非常 can be used with an adjective to mean very, but it can also be used before a verb to mean really or very much. It's much stronger than 很, which is a light form of very, and is used more for rhythmic balance. Now say it with me. 非常非常. Let's see it used in a sentence. 我非常喜欢中餐。你知道这是什么意思吗？ It means I really like Chinese food. 非常好. Very good. We talk in depth about the difference between 很 and 非常 and the different ways you can use them in our paid content of our beginner conversational course. So if you'd like to learn more, be sure to check it out. That's all for today's phrase of the day. Head to yoyochinese.com to access more videos for learning Chinese. See you next time!